Okay guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps of multiplying fractions with standard algorithm. So if we have 3 times 2/3, we're basically saying that we have 3 groups of 2/3. So if we use standard algorithm, step number 1 says convert, which means change, the whole number to a fraction. So if we want to change 3 to a fraction, all we have to do is put it over 1. We're saying that it takes 1 whole to make a whole, and we have 3. Therefore, we have 3 wholes. Okay, so 3 over 1 is not changing the value that we have 3 wholes. Now we're going to still multiply that by 2/3. Okay, let's go to step number 2. Step number 2, here we are, 3 over 1 times 2/3. Step number 2 says multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. So we're going to multiply straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. And 1 times 3 is 3. Now we have 6/3. Let's move over to step number 3. Okay, step number 3 is called simplify. We have to put these fractions in simplest form always. So here we have an improper fraction, so we have to divide the top by the bottom. How many 3's are in 6? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So when we subtract, we have nothing left over. Therefore, our final answer is 2 wholes. Okay, let's look at multiplying a fraction times a fraction. Okay, so this time we're going to start out with 1/4 times 5/6. And this time we can skip number 1 because we don't have to change the whole number into a fraction and go straight to number 2, which tells us multiply straight across. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 6 is 24. Now, we know that 5 is a prime number, so it can only divide by 1 in itself. And we know that 24 can't divide by 5 because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. Therefore, this fraction is in simplest form.